Hello, Professor and class. My name is Megan Crane, and I am going to present to you my Arts Integration Video Reflection presentation. The three benefits of art integration in the classroom are very important and are as follows. Art inspires creativity and reflection, as well as comprehension, and allows for a metaphorical vehicle for learning from any subject. We can incorporate art into math, into science, into social studies, into language arts, which allows for students to be able to comprehend instruction at a much deeper level and be able to reflect on that. Art makes learning fun, multidisciplinary, and allows connection and creativity in the classroom. Kinesthetic or hands-on learning is highly beneficial in the classroom. When learning is fun, students are more likely to retain new knowledge that is taught to them. And all types of art, whether it's visual art, music, or drama, allow students the ability to be expressive and share their thoughts and feelings. Music is beneficial in the classroom. It helps encourage a positive learning environment, helps support feelings, emotions, and student engagement. Brain breaks are exciting and they're fun. There are many different kinds that you can find on YouTube, everything from animal yoga to the freeze dance, all kinds of fun things with music that can be incorporated into the classroom. Music improves cognition and it enhances both learning, retaining information, and memory, as well as increases academic performance in students. Music also promotes self-confidence skills, social skills, and listening skills, and it is a lot of fun. Many benefits of visual arts as well. Visual arts, painting, creating, crafting, sculpting allow for personal expression, as well as being a vehicle to allow students to be able to express feeling, emotion, and opinion. Visual arts allows students to engage their five senses and allows children for growth in social emotional skills. You can incorporate visual arts into reading, writing, and math, and there are many benefits of visual arts and skills that can be built in the classroom. There are also benefits to dance and movement. Movement and exercise actually creates neurons in the brain, which stimulates learning, increases mood, memory, and academics overall. Dance and movement helps students be able to become more coordinated, more flexible, be able to gain strength, and so there are many physical advantages as well. Music and dance, dance, I think this was actually supposed to be movement, my mistake. Movement allows students to be able to express themselves, connect with others, and be able to empathize with peers. So again, really great at building those social emotional skills in children. Method number 1 for integrating fine arts into the curriculum. Allow students to express their thoughts, feelings, and emotions through dance and movement. Method number 2, allow students ample opportunity and ability to explain their ideas and express their emotions through drawing, creating, and sketching. And method number 3, allow students to be able to participate in drama and audience performance and work together collaboratively as a group to build confidence. Allowing this is good for social, emotional, and communication skills among students as well. Those were my favorite 3 methods for integrating fine arts into the classroom. Each of these fine arts activities, Lucas, please be quiet, are important to incorporate all of these into the classroom every day. And so I have like a visual arts, a music, and a drama. How will I integrate arts into my future classroom? I will encourage role play and drama in younger students. Allow students ample opportunity to create visual art by painting, coloring, sketching, creating, crafting, and sculpture making. Allow music, creative movement, dance, lots of opportunity. Students learn and retain information through songs, rhyme, rhythm, and musical elements. I think this is super important. Allow for exploration, hands-on kinesthetic learning activities. Integrate art into all subject areas. Okay, we have learned through our modules in our textbook that there are so many options, which is really cool because I never knew anything about them. So many options for warm-ups and energizers to incorporate art into the classroom. Allow students to express themselves through all of it. And then allow students dance breaks and let them explore, let their imaginations soar. When fine arts is incorporated properly into the classroom, there are so many benefits, okay? You will see students be able to use higher order thinking skills and be able to think creatively and problem solve. You'll see an increase in the ability to make decisions. You'll see students be able to feel up their emotions at a much deeper level and be able to express them more effectively. You will see their confidence flourish. The coolest part is you will be able to reach students that otherwise you may have never been able to reach through incorporating fine arts into the classroom. And lastly, but not least, you will see student engagement and motivation soar. We're all in this together. Let's make sure that we take a multidisciplinary approach and learn together and reach as many students as possible. These are my references. Thank you so much for watching. It was an honor and a pleasure to be with you today. Thank you.